In the last episode, we explored Santa Monica and spent way too much money eating our way through LA. Today, we are leaving the van with a complete stranger in San Clemente and are hopping on a plane for a 5-hour flight back to our snowy city, Toronto.
Hiya. Morning. Good morning, beautiful peach, love of my life, my best friend.
Morning, beautiful plum. We've arrived 1.5 hours south-ish. Is that where we are?
San Clemente?
We're in San Clemente, San Clemente, I think that's how you say it. And we're packing up the van, you guys. We are going to leave the van behind. I can hardly believe it, but we're gonna be gone for 10 days only, no big deal. What we've learned is after driving across the country and putting these time restraints on us with our business to go back and forth, why not just leave the van somewhere and fly home, do our business stuff, and come back and continue on the journey. So that's exactly what we're about to do. And
we're leaving it with a total stranger.
First things first is we want to clean out the van. We want to empty our water tanks to just avoid any kind of smells. As everyone knows, I'm a bit weird about smells. Empty out the fridge. Maybe donate these to our kind stranger. And we also have to bring our winter jackets home because it's gonna be
mucho frio, apparently minus 30. Not looking forward to that.
I'm going from wearing flip-flops to freaking wearing hat and mitts and a big old parka. Before we meet our new friend, Eamon's just gonna have a wee shower. He sniffed himself and said, woof, not good. How's it now?
Very nice. I want to make sure there's no water, so that's going to start to smell. Leave these upside down, dry them out. We still got to introduce you to this weirdo.
Craig, where are you going?
Let me get ready for the keys.
Here's the stranger.
Yeah, no problem. How long will you be gone?
So this is our good friend Craig. He messaged us out of a response, a cry for help, that we needed a place for beautiful Trinity here. And he's a vanner himself. What do we call her? The Blue Casa?
The Blue Casa.
The Blue Casa. And him and his wife are Baja experts. They've traveled all around Mexico. So they might even join us in Mexico.
That would be a blast.
We're feeling
They
very
will.
good.
Let's just change our verbiage and say they will come.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right. Do you want to come check out the van? You haven't even been inside.
Oh my gosh, it's just like in the video.
We've got all the water tanks emptied out, the kitchen's nice and clean, the food's cleaned up. I am gonna leave the van on. And what I mean by that is like the battery and solar system and the fridge running and all that, because we still have stuff in the fridge. But it's only 10 days, so I feel okay about it. How do you feel?
It's gonna be weird. Like, this is the first time we're gonna be homeless. Like, we're gonna literally be sleeping like with friends and family in Toronto. So it's gonna be great. I'm just gonna miss Trin.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Any cold feet about this guy?
Like, none whatsoever. Did we tell them already that he's Canadian and he's from Winnipeg?
So I passed the test.
You passed the test with flying colors. We're good to go.
Craig is also an absolute legend because he's volunteered to take us to the airport.
Absolutely. Pass it on.
We don't know what the charge is yet, but hopefully not too bad.
It's gonna be some chihuahua. I gotta be right after.
We'll see you when we're back.
Craig, thank you so much, brother.
Okay.
You want for Canada, you better
Chai.
All right.
What has changed a little bit.
Thank you.
And welcome aboard Western Flight number 1101, service to Toronto.
We got a door-to-door service here.
I'm really lucky.
Welcome back.
Hi, Bob.
Everybody.
A little colder here in Toronto.
Thanks for the pickup.
Hey, Peppers, we got the whole squad.
Welcome home, kids.
Thank you.
Thanks for the ride. Get him loose. We may have a smaller car, but it doesn't make a difference when you're sitting on the highway.
Left the traffic of LA for the traffic of Toronto. And it's -6 and snowing.
What an amazing time.
Can you please move that dress shirt? I have no blind spot.
Go. Oh, don't go. Don't
Eamon, move the dress shirt. I can't see.
I can't just move my dress shirt, dude.
Why?
Because I've got to keep it fresh. I'll tell you when you can go. Is your blinker on?
Yeah? Move that dress shirt.
No.
Good morning. No biting, no biting, no biting. Oh, I love waking up with you, Mister. Also, what is going on out there?
This is our favorite cereal. But you actually can't get it in the States. It's called Vector. And it's actually probably a good thing that we can't get it on the road because Becca won't even let me eat it in the van. It's too crunchy.
You're not gonna sit over there. We've been staying with my parents over the weekend, and it's only fair that I send out my better half to help with some of the household chores.
Hello, warm friends. This is called a snow shovel. You use this when you're in Canada. When you're dealing with snow.
It's not just dealing with snow. This is the biggest snowstorm of the year. Ah!
Good thing is it's really light.
Beautiful day for it, Dad.
Yeah, beautiful day.
So as you can imagine, we're so excited that we're here as opposed to being in California. With only 10 days at home, we had to make the most of it. We caught up with friends at a wedding.
Becca just did a shot of water.
Peeled over 100 pounds of fresh ginger for our tea, and reorganized basically our entire office. To top it all off, we vended for Chaiwala at a 3-day tea festival. Our time in Toronto has flown by, and it's now Tuesday morning.
Morning, honey.
Good morning, beautiful mom. You ready to go to the airport?
Yeah.
It is nice and early. Hello?
Hey, I just want to confirm you have a passport somewhere. I just haven't been charged.
Yep, I got him. Oh, Bobby Brown getting the orders done early. Good morning, amigo.
What time is it anyway?
It's 5:30.
5:30, and you're up, eh?
Yes, sir. Up with a smile, too.
Good for you, man. Well, I guess you're heading back to the West Coast.
Woke up dancing about it.
Alrighty, good stuff.
Love you, buddy.
Eamon, take care, buddy.
All right, man.
All right, be safe.
Cheers. Good morning, princesses.
Good morning.
What hats do you have? Hello, dear.
We got sent these new beautiful hats. This is
Oh,
This
nice.
is cute. So I'll start with my beach one.
Actually, I have a hat kind of like that. I love that hat. Oh, I love it.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
This one's more city vibes.
Yeah.
You know, like LA.
Where'd you get the
Coming for
hats,
you,
babe?
LA. Will and Bear. Thank you.
Feel free to join us from Baja.
Listen, I want you to phone me, Eamon.
No guarantees.
Becca,
We'll call you.
call me. Thanks.
All right, back at the airport.
Eamon must look sketchy because every time he's randomly selected for searching. Hands up against the wall. Oh, okay.
You excited for breakfast?
And lunch. This is like breakfast, lunch, and the whole flight.
Thank you.
biggest bonus of this flight is that we actually have a full extra seat. So I'm likely gonna slip over here, watch some entertainment, and yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think we're getting any food. I just finished watching Bohemian Rhapsody and completely bawled my eyes out. I loved the movie. So now I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna let Eamon watch. Yes, P.S. you might have caught that. I lose these all the time, so he doesn't let me touch them unless I'm working.
Thank you. Alright guys, we're here in the Sunshine State. Super excited.
Good to be back, dude.
We only had one pair of headphones on the flight, so we took turns. I've edited the first 2 hours. Then Bec watched Bohemian Rhapsody, and then we switched. And
How
great
good was
movie.
that movie?
Unbelievable. I literally almost started crying.
So long. I
Yeah.
loved the movie. I think I did cry.
Oh yeah. Welcome to Los Angeles.
Thank you.
I feel like everyone's gonna be disappointed not to see Craig, but we actually got a buddy that's in town, so he's picking us up. Super stoked. He's right here. This is John's new house. What is that? Did you build that?
I've been living in Sam's like for the last couple days, so I haven't organized or cleaned it or anything.
That's all you need, dude.
Right? So hold on, we gotta say hi to Thumper. Hi, Thumper. Hi.
What's your name?
Thumper.
Oh, Thumper, you don't know if you like me.
He's always nervous meeting new people. He has like high anxiety.
That's okay, buddy.
Yeah,
It's
it
okay.
takes a while for him to like
That's
come around.
You'll like me eventually, I promise.
You will.
First stop of the day is Veggie Grill because my buddy is hungry.
I was up at 4 and now it's probably like 2 p.m. our time.
Good. How was your first vegan burger?
Delicious.
Was
It
it?
actually was pretty phenomenal. I'm sold.
All right, getting excited to see her.
I've missed the van so much.
Hopefully the house is still here, Craig. Thanks for the ride, bro.
No worries, homie.
Oh my God,
You're welcome.
appreciate it. Let's go, baby. Thumb's trying to get it going. Get him. Get out of there, buddy. The home.
There is no greater feeling than coming home.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how to describe it though.
I don't know if it's like the combo of just having all your stuff here or just feeling very comfortable, but yes, it feels amazing.
In the year and a half that we've had the van, we've never not had the van with us.
In the year and a half we've had the van, we've never not had the van.
Wow, I'm so super tired. I'm so tired. But so... Did you just swallow it?
No.
Can you bring your head closer to me?
I used to swallow gum when I was a kid. That's gnarly, it's probably still in me. Anyway, we're destroyed. We're talking about weird things, and we're gonna have to reset and reorganize and redeliver and reroute our entire life. So we'll probably see you around 2 a.m. tomorrow because we'll be all hyped up, ready to go.
Weirded out.
But we are so stoked to be home, be in Los Angeles.
For the next 6 to 8 weeks, it is going to be uninterrupted adventure travel on this channel.
Look at what I'm doing. They're not gonna see these socks for months.
I actually treated Eamon to a pedicure when we were home, so this is exciting. Socks are off. Business caps are always on, but slightly off, and we're excited to adventure with you guys. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Subscribe to that Baja Bound series, share with your friends, and
bye.